What if I told you there is a viral Korean method that can turn your intermittent fasting into fat burning machine faster than you ever experienced it? And no, it's not some crazy crash diet or magic pill. This switch on diet is blowing up in the Korea right now, combining intermittent fasting with the special fasting days and the gut microbiome reset. People are reporting rapid fat loss, muscle preservation and insane energy all in just 1 month. In this video I will show you what this viral method is, why it works and how you can combine it with intermittent fasting to take your result to an entirely new level. So what is exactly this switch on diet? In the Korea it was developed by Dr. Park Young-woo and the core is simple. It combines intermittent fasting strategic 24 hours fasting days and high protein intake to protect muscle. On top of that, it adds a gut microbiome reset, rebuilding healthy gut bacteria, which has massive impact on your metabolism. This method creates a clear pattern for your body, days when it gets fuel and days when it goes deep into fasting. On those fasting days, insulin drops really low, triggering autophagy. The process, various cells clean themselves out and your body starts pulling hard from the fat stores. Research shows that combining intermittent fasting with a short 24-hour fast has a stronger effect on fat burning and hormone balance than the standards 16-8 alone. And when you add the gut reset, you are improving digestion, nutrient absorption and even appetite control. That's why this method is blowing up. It's not just about calorie deficit, it's about giving your body a clear signal, protect muscle, burn fat, repair cells, and you can plug it straight into your intermittent fasting routine. The best part about this method is you don't need any special products or programs. You can build it right into what you are already doing. Just combine it with your intermittent fasting routine. Choose 2 days a week to go into the switch on mode. Most people pick Monday and Thursday. Those are your 24 hours fasting days or very low calorie days, around 500 to 800 calories, with light soaps, veggies and protein. For the rest of the week, keep your regular intermittent fasting schedule like 16-8. Focus your meals on protein and healthy fats. That's the key to protecting the muscle and keeping your metabolism active. Every day, add fermented foods, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir. That's the part that resets your gut. It improves digestion and helps control appetite. And no, leftover pizza after 3 days isn't a probiotic, even if it looks like this growing its own ecosystem. Start simple. 2 switch on days, the rest regular intermittent fasting. Prioritize protein and support your gut. After a few weeks, you will feel the difference in the both weight and energy. Now, let's go over a few small tweaks that can take this method to completely different level. Tip number 1. On your switch on days, do short brisk walk or light movement in the morning while fasted. Just 15-20 minutes and your body flips into fat burning mode like you'll hit turbo button. Before that, drink a glass of water with a pinch of sea or Himalayan salt. It keeps your electrolytes balanced, pushes hydration deep into your cells and helps you avoid fatigue or headaches. On your regular eating days, plan your meals ahead and stick quality proteins and healthy fats. That balance between fasting and eating days speeds up your results. Try this plan for 1 month and watch what it does to your weight and energy. Share this video with someone who tried every diet and still struggling, and hit subscribe so you don't miss more tips on turning intermittent fasting into your secret weapon. See ya in the next video.